So, good morning, friends, and let's begin with the chanting session by doing a Ganesh Vandana. Starting में हमेशा गणेश जी को याद करते हैं, वो विघ्नहर्ता हमारे गणेश जी। जब उनका नाम लेके हम कोई भी शुरुआत करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छे से हमारा जो भी कार्य है वो संपूर्ण होता है। सो हमारे गणेश वंदना के साथ वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। विघ्नेश्वराय वरदाय सुरप्रियाय लंबोदराय सकलाय जगद्विताय नागाननाय श्रुतियज्ञ विभूषिताय गौरीसुताय गणनाथ नमो नमस्ते।
ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धना मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृता। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धना मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृता। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धना मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृता। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धना मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृता। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धना मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृता।
ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनाय मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृता। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनाय मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृता। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनाय मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृता। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनाय मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृता। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ
त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ
त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ
त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धना मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृता ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धना मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृता ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धना मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धना मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ
त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् 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 ॐ
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिपुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्युर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात् 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 ॐ
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वा
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात् ॐ
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात् 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 ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात्
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात्
मृत्योर्मोक्ष्यमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्ष्यमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्ष्यमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्ष्यमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्ष्यमामृतात्
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमेव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षिमामृतात् 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 ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमेव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षिमामृतात्
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकविभवन्दनामृत्यो मोक्षीय मामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकविभवन्दना मृत्यो मोक्षीय मामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकविभवन्दना मृत्यो मोक्षीय मामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकविभवन्दना मृत्यो मोक्षीय मामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकविभवन्दना मृत्यो मोक्षीय मामृतात् ॐ
त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात्
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात्
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव वन्दना मृत्युर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् 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 ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव वन्दना मृत्युर्मोक्षीयमामृतात्
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्युर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्युर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्युर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्युर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्युर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामित्रात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमेव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामित्रात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव 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 बन्धनात् मृत्युर्मोक्षीयमामित्रात् 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 ॐ यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्युर्मोक्षीयमामित्रात् ॐ
त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमेव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामित्रात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमेव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमेव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमेव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ।
त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ 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 त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ
त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धना मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृता ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धना मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृता ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धना मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृता ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धना मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृता ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धना मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृता
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् 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 ॐ
त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः Thank you everyone for joining. और जिन लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से आज हमारे साथ ये चैंटिंग किया उन सभी का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया. Thank you everyone and please do not leave. आपका अटेंडेंस आपको देना है. जो लोग अभी अपना नाम भेजेंगे उन लोगों को ही सर्टिफिकेट्स मिलेंगे. तो आपका नाम अभी आप चैट बॉक्स में भेज दीजिए प्लीज. As you want it on the certificate, please no spelling mistakes, नहीं तो आपका certificate भी spelling mistakes के साथ ही आएगा. And while everyone is sending their names over here, we have with us our international director, Usha Bin Chadawala. Usha ji, welcome. I heartily welcome you, as well as our chief guest for today's morning, जिन्होंने जो खास विशाखापत्तनम से आज हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. राजू जी, thank you very much. Our international president तिरुपति राजू सर आज हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. So I heartily welcome Raju ji, that you have given your precious time for our district, for our members, and have added to this beautiful aura created by my members over here. So first of all, I would request our international president LIBT Raju sir to please give your blessings for our session. Yes, sir. Sir, you are muted. Can you please unmute yourself? Yeah.
Good morning to all of you. Our good leader and dynamic motivator, and our south, west, east multiple, not east, west multiple chairman, Nital Shah, and another important dynamic leader from Surat. She is also director in our association, LI Usha Jadawala, and many LI friends and guests. Good morning to all of you. Nital Shah has invited me for so many functions in Surat. I could not attend. One few cases only I used to attend. Really, I am very happy to be here today to see this 151 Mrityunjaya mantra. Really, the dedication and system you followed in conducting the function, very nice. For any development in the country, the mind is very important. Psychological thinking of mind is very important. If your mind is active and strong, I think the entire body will be strong. All nerves will run from the brain only. So Nital Shah has been doing a lot of service activities in the form of meditation and other spiritual things to develop the mind first of all. Prevention is better than cure. Nowadays, what is happening in the country, we are going for remedy after getting the problem. In olden days, people used to take up remedy before the occurring of the event. But in the present circumstances, our people doesn't bother for prevention. That is why prevention is better than cure. That's what all of you are doing here. And conducting this type of programs will educate the people and develop the immunity. If you conduct this type of programs, we need not take any vaccine for any virus. Mind control is important. So really, I'm very happy for conducting this program and educating so many people, not only in Surat, through Zoom. Many people like me are enjoying the program. Friends, I don't want to take much of your time, but anyhow, my selfishness is also there. My selfishness is for the benefit of the society, not personal benefit to me as a Tirupati Raju. Our personal benefit is to our organization. All of you know the Association of Alliance Clubs International was established in 12 years back. Now it was in more than 20 countries. Even though there are so many international organizations in the world, Association of Alliance Clubs International is started with a very good ideas, objectives. Our association international juice is very less. We are paying to international only 250 rupees. It is a very nominal amount, whereas in other social organizations you are paying lot of money in the form of juice for getting the membership. If it is in other countries, it is only $5, whereas other organizations charging $50. We want to reduce the administrative cost of the association. That is why we started this Association of Alliance Clubs International. So I request friends, let us join, let us motivate more members to join in this organization. More members with a little contribution, we can do greater things. You may donate a small amount, but if you have more members, it amounts to a great extent of help to anybody. That is why we want to involve more members from every part of the world in our Association of Alliance Clubs International. If you see the population over the globe, more than 700 crores. But if you see the famous international organizations like Lions and Rotary, it is only 25 lakhs. Very less amount of people joined in these established, well-established organizations because the administration cost is very high. That is why we started Association of Alliance Clubs International. Now we are well established in India and we are spreading to other countries too. This year we started, so many people have joined in the association at various places like Philippines, Nepal, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Canada, USA, and Europe, like that. So friends, I invite, if any member is here already not aligned member, please join in this organization to help the needy people. Here helping the needy people is one object, developing ourselves also another objective. That is also there. Many people, they think that what is the benefit of joining in social organizations? In our social organizations, we get friendship. Now we have friends all over the globe. Recently, one family from Madhya Pradesh, they want to go to South tour. I don't know them, they know me only through Facebook. So they called me, sir, how to go to, we want to go to Tamil Nadu and see various places. Then immediately I gave all the program and I told our people in Tamil Nadu, and they helped them for taking the tour in Tamil Nadu. In this way, if you have friends anywhere, tomorrow you want to go to Philippines, if you speak to Nital Shah, she can help you everything in Philippines. That is the advantage of joining in this organization. Personally also, whatever the information you want, either for your business or your personal purposes, by having many friends, you will be helpful. Another thing, we develop leadership qualities. We conduct training programs at the club level, multiple level, and international level. You acquire so many leadership skills that will be useful in your daily management of your home, daily management of your office, and how to move in the society. Everything you will learn by acquiring leadership qualities by conducting various training programs by doing various positions also. You may do as a president of the club, you know how to manage 20 to 50 people. If you become a multiple chairman, you know how to manage around 5 to 10,000 people. If you become an international president, you know how to manage 30,000 people. Managing a lot of people with your leadership qualities, and you will be highly benefited. And you will get the satisfaction also. Of course, in life, what we want. By doing various things in our life, we should get satisfaction. We have to live abnormally. Normally, every human being will live. There is something special. Now, Nital, she acquired some special skills in motivating all of you. That is the life. If she lives simply in his home, seeing her children and husband, that is not a great thing. Every leader will do. But if you do abnormal things like this, using our life for the many people, for the betterment of the other people, if you live, that is only the real life. And here also we have life membership. If anybody pays 10,000 rupees, we are giving life member. Now we are also contributing some money. If you pay 7,000 rupees, you are a life member in this organization. By becoming a life member, you need not pay dues every year, international dues. And you can use the designation like doctorate or any qualification, you can use LMF along with your name. We also give a plaque where your name will be there that you contributed for life member. That plaque you can keep in your business or at your home. So many people will see, not for your advertisement, by seeing your plaque, so many people may also join in this organization. Another advantage is whatever the money you are giving life member, we are depositing in the corpus fund. The interest on the corpus fund we are utilizing for service activities. That is the major advantage here. We may have crores of rupees. We maintain in our life. Our son may maintain. Our grandchildren may maintain. But forever that money, that properties will not be maintained for our legal heirs. Somebody will come. Somebody may not be effective. They may spoil. We have seen so many families coming up and down because of some people. But the 10,000 rupees what we are giving to Association of Alliance Clubs International is deposited in corpus fund. The interest on it will be utilized for service activities for a generation to come. Our life may be small. We may live another 15 years, 20 years, 30 years. But the 10,000 rupees what we are giving to this our organization is, and the interest on it may be 500 to 1,000 rupees a year. It will be utilized for the service projects in the world. That is the trust. That is the mechanism you are creating for the generation to come by donating 10,000 rupees to our Association of Alliance Clubs International. Friends, I request all of you to join as a life members in this great organization. We spend a lot of money. Even for small functions, we are spending lakhs of rupees. For birthday, we are spending a lot of money. But one-time contribution to this organization is a perpetual event, perpetual service, like Gandhi, Mother Teresa, what they have done to this organization. People are remembering. Similarly, what is the contribution you are giving to this organization will be remembered. And God will also bless you in your life, not only to your life, you are helping the people to come in the society. God has given this life to help the others also. That you are doing in your life. So once again, I thank you and welcome you for our Association of Alliance Clubs International. I will take another opportunity to share some more things. Already we are delayed. Once again, I thank you, L.I. Nital and Usha Jadawala and other friends for giving me the nice opportunity of sharing the few things. Thank you.
Thank you very, very much, sir, for your kind blessings as well as your motivation for all my members over here. And I would like to introduce you. I think we won't be able to see a lot of people on the screen, but a lot of people over here from Mumbai have joined along with me. We do have from our south DG Rajender ji also, who regularly joins for my Surya Namaskar session. So I also welcome him. A lot of members from my Mumbai awareness team are along with me over here. So I congratulate them, as well as the Daryadil Mumbai team are also with me. So I also congratulate them. We also have Devanshi ji, who has joined with us from Navsari. And yes, she's also giving a club in Navsari. So yeah, congratulations to Devanshi ji. And still a lot of friends. Sorry if I'm missing out a lot of people. Sucheta ji has given her club in Mumbai. Then we have Kusum ji. Kusum ji, where are you? I can't find you. Kusum ji also has given a club over here in Mumbai. So yeah, a lot of awareness members with me. Yeah, so many names to share. Everyone over here has a special designation. So I congratulate all of you for being the member and for finishing this today, completing this special aura over here of 151's chanting, mantra chanting that we have done. And if you are leaving, friends, please make sure you have written your name before you leave for your certificates. Your certificates will be shared in the group. If you are not in the group, please note down my number. You can message me or anywhere from wherever you got the message about this session, so that you can receive your certificate on time. I'm just giving my number over here. So you can message me if you are not in the group. If you are already in the group, no worries. Okay, you will find the certificate over there. And now next, I would request our International Director, Usha ji, who has been with us from the very beginning. And like we started our Surya Namaskar session by the lamp lighting with Usha ji. And today also she had been with us for the entire chanting session. So thank you very, very much, Usha ma'am. Usha ma'am, we would like to hear some few words of blessings from you. Usha ji, you are with us. You can give your blessings.
Yes. Respected International President राजू जी और सभी बॉम्बई की मेरी प्यारी प्यारी बहनों, आप लोगों ने इतना अच्छा एक के बाद एक ये मंत्र जाप स्टार्ट किया और उसकी चेन चालू ही रही। आप सबको वंदन सह अभिनंदन। बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा। जैसे लगता था कि मैं तो कोई तपोभूमि में, प्राचीन संस्कृति की हमारी देन है ये, तो कोई तपोभूमि में, कोई ऋषि मुनि के आश्रम में हूँ, ऐसा लग रहा था। तो बहुत अच्छा लगा। और बम्बई की सभी बहनों जो AACI में जुड़ी हुई है और जो ज्वाइंट होने वाली है, उनको सब कुछ समझा दिया है सर जी ने। तो उन सभी को मैं हमारे इस ग्रुप में ज्वाइंट होने के लिए आमंत्रित करती हूँ। और हम ऐसे ही मिलकर बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम करते रहेंगे। और निकल जी, आपको बहुत 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 अभिनंदन, बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम मैनेज किया। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for joining with us. And thanks to everyone for doing the beautiful chanting and spreading the positivity. Always remember, friends, as Raju ji just said, a strong mind will help you to overcome all of your problems. So yes, we are doing the same thing, and we would make our mind strong by our Surya Namaskar, by our yoga, by our chantings, all of the things. These are all various paths which will lead us to the same thing, and that is a strong mind to bring happiness, to bring prosperity in our life as well as in the entire society. So once again, I thank you. I heartily thank our Honorable International President LIBT Raju sir for joining with us, and hopefully see you soon, sir, physically once we get rid of all this COVID situations, and surely we'll be meeting at the international convention as well. Thank you so very much everyone for joining. Thanks to all my friends once again. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye. Om Namah Shivaya.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hey, Jinendra.
It was a nice session, really. Today, doing the job was really. ऐसा लगा ब्रह्मा कुमारी में व्हाइट पहनते हैं ना नीतल मैम, ब्रह्मा कुमारी में हम वो तमोभूमि में पहुंच गए जो उषा जी ने बोला।
हाँ जी, बहुत बहुत सही बात है।
Lovely session.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. कुछ thank you very much.
लीडरशिप क्वालिटी समझ आई मैम। राजू जी ने बोला प्रेसिडेंट रियली स्टेप वाइज यू हैव टू गो अहेड, बहुत बड़ी बात थी।
Yes.
इस लेवल में जा सकते हैं।
Very true.